I can bring you in warm, or I can bring you in cold. Oh no. Bounty droid. No, stop it! Well, now we just need to get the door open. Get away from it! Step aside. Don't move. You done? Good enough. He won't make it past sunrise. Hand it over. I told you that was a bad idea. Easy with that. Whistling birds will do well. Reserve some for the foundlings. This is the way. I want my next job. Any idea what they're gonna do with it? The kid. Where did you get the armor? Get me close to him, and I'll kill him. I'll take them all. What's your highest bounty? I like those odds. I promise you will not die by my hand. Wait. They said 50 years old. We'll bring it in alive. Well, I did disintegrate a few of them. It's not enough. They'll keep sending hunters. Try it and I'll kill you. What are they doing here? That's a joke. Step aside. I'm going to my ship. The kid's coming with me. You stay right here. You stay. I think it's a child. You understand this? A Mandalorian and a Jedi? They'll never see it coming. It goes against the Mandalorian creed. Yeah, that's what I figured. No questions asked. That's the policy, right? Tell me where the Mandalorians are, and I'll walk out of here without killing you. If you want my armor, you'll have to peel it off my dead body. My price is high. What's to stop me from dropping you right where you stand?